How to use Clio Legal Practice Analytics properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Clio Legal Practice Analytics gives law firms powerful insights, but beginners often misinterpret data or fail to use it effectively, costing time and money. The first mistake is not entering data consistently. Analytics only works if case types, time entries, and billing information are accurate. Missing or inconsistent entries led to misleading reports. Another common error is focusing on vanity metrics. Total hours or revenue are useful, but without context like realization rates, collection rates, and client profitability, decisions can be flawed. Many users ignore benchmarking features. Comparing performance across practice areas, attorneys, or time periods helps identify trends and inefficiencies. Skipping this step can leave opportunities undiscovered. Neglecting regular review is another pitfall. Analytics is most effective when monitored weekly or monthly. Waiting until the end of the year often reveals problems too late to fix. Finally, some assume analytics replaces strategic planning. Data informs decisions but doesn't replace human judgment. Combine insights with professional experience to optimize performance. To use Clio Legal Practice Analytics properly, enter data consistently, focus on meaningful metrics, benchmark effectively, review regularly, and integrate insights with strategy. Avoid these mistakes, and your firm will make smarter decisions, save time, and increase profitability.